Hello students, how are you students? Yesterday I told you the summary of the lesson address. Now today I am going to explain first part of it. Now listen. Do you still know me? I asked. The woman looked at me searchingly. She had opened the door a chink. I came closer and stood on the step. Students, after the war was over, Margaminko reached Mrs. Darling's house. In order to take her mother's belongings back from her, because her mother gave all her belongings to Mrs. Darling in order to keep them safe with her, and Mrs. Darling also assured her mother that she would give her belongings back to her after the war was over. After reaching the door, Margaminko knocked it. Then Mrs. Darling opened it a little. Mrs. Darling opened the door a little. And after opening the door a little, she was pretending that she was trying to recognize Margaminko. Actually, she recognized Margaminko very well, and she was pretending of not recognizing her because she had no intention to give her mother's belongings back to her. And when Margaminko observed that Mrs. Darling was trying to recognize her, then she stood on the doorstep, and after standing at the doorstep, she asked Mrs. Darling if she still knew her. "No, I don't know you." At this, Mrs. Darling replied in negation that she did not know her. "I am Mrs. S. daughter." At this, Margaminko, the writer, reminded Mrs. Darling that she was her friend Mrs. S. daughter. She held her hand on the door as though she wanted to prevent it opening any further. While talking to Margaminko, Mrs. Darling was holding the door as though she wanted to prevent it opening any further. Her face gave absolutely no sign of recognition. She kept staring at me in silence. And Margaminko did not see any sign of recognition on her face. She continued staring at Margaminko in silence, and she continued pretending for not recognizing her. Perhaps I was mistaken, I thought. Perhaps it is not her. I had seen her only once, fleetingly, and that was years ago. It was most probable that I had rung the wrong bell. When Margaminko did not see any sign of recognition on Mrs. Darling's face, then she thought, if she had reached at the wrong address, because Margaminko, the writer, saw Mrs. Darling's face only one time. That is why she had not remembered her appearance clearly. But she knew that the address was right, 46 Marconi Street. She was at 46 Marconi Street, which was right because her mother told her about that address. But she did not know Mrs. Darling by her face clearly. That is why she was thinking, if she had knocked at the wrong door, the woman let go of the door and stepped to a side. She was wearing my mother's green knitted cardigan. The wooden buttons were rather pale from washing. She saw that I was looking at the cardigan and half hid herself again behind the door, but I knew now that I was right. While looking at Marga Minko, Mrs. Darling hid herself behind the door because she observed that Marga Minko recognized her mother's green knitted cardigan, which Mrs. Darling was wearing while talking to her. And Marga Minko is saying that she was wearing her mother's green knitted cardigan, and the wooden button of the cardigan were rather pale from being washed. And when Mrs. Darling observed that Marga Minko recognized her mother's green knitted cardigan, then she hid herself again behind the door. But Marga Minko is saying, but she was sure after looking at her mother's green knitted cardigan, which Mrs. Darling was wearing while talking to her, she was sure that she was at the right address. Well, you knew my mother, I asked. And after that, she asked Mrs. Darling with emphasis if she had known her mother, because that time she was sure, because Mrs. Darling was wearing her mother's green knitted cardigan. It means she was her mother's friend, whom her mother gave all her belongings before the war. That is why she asked her with emphasis if she had known her mother. Have you come back? Said the woman. I thought that no one had come back. When Mrs. Darling came to know that Marga Minko was sure that she was at the right address, and she recognized her because of her mother's knitted cardigan. She recognized Miss Darling because of her mother's knitted cardigan, which Mrs. Darling's was wearing. Then Mrs. Darling asked Marga Binko if she had come back along with her mother. I thought that no one had come back. And she added that she thought that no one had come back after the war, only me. At this, Marga Binko replied that only she had come back because her mother died during the war. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. Now tomorrow I will explain next part of it. I request you to read and write the explanation. Have a nice day. Thank you and have a nice day.